Hey y'all, Joanne here from Craft with a Purpose. Yep, let's go shopping to my favorite store, Hobby Lobby, guys. I'm bringing to you their Easter release this year. Oh my goodness, how cute is that little rabbit? I know, guys, I know I'm always a little bit early, but I always say this on my channel to you guys. You need to get there before it sells out. And I don't know about what's going on with these cows, but let me tell you, they've become a hit for, I think, over a year now, guys. And they're so absolutely adorable. So, had to bring it to you guys. They have so many adorable things. Look at these cute Easter eggs, guys, with the vintage vibe. How adorable, elegant, sophisticated. Oh my goodness, I fell in love with these. I'm gonna have to do a project with these for you guys soon. How cute are these? And of course, I had to share with you guys, look at these cute little placemats. How adorable is this, guys? If you're hosting an Easter brunch or Easter dinner, look at these beautiful plates. Oh my gosh, Christ the Lord is risen. I absolutely love this. Look at this, guys. Look at these cute decorations. I fell in love with that. Absolutely beautiful. And the bunnies, how cute. They have so many adorable things for the kiddos as well this year. I mean, they always do. But this year, I noticed they have a couple of different types of cute little things for kids. And of course, you have your beautiful crosses here. He is risen. Amen for that. Guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. Can you say antique vintage vibe? Yes. Oh my gosh. Absolutely adorable. And look at these little name holders. Oh my gosh. I fell in love with these bunnies. And these little mini cups, guys, for kids. Like if you're going to do a little kiddo's little bunny basket, that is absolutely adorable. So, so cute. And of course, they had the collection of the different plates for your, holiday celebrations. And I had to share it with you guys. How pretty is this napkin? I fell in love with it. They had a nice big collection this year, guys, so you can host your Easter. And of course, for those of you that are bakers, they had really cute things as well. Okay, for my baking people. Oh my gosh, look at this sprinkle box. How cute is this? A variety. Guys, this will keep your kiddos busy for a while. And how cute is this straw? Had to do it. That was adorable straw. And look at these epic bunnies, y'all. These have been out here for a couple years now, and they're just a big hit all around. Kids love them, adults love them. We all love them for decorating. Can you say outdoor decor? Because they got plenty of it. So if you're in the mood to decorate your house, super cute. Look at this little cows again, guys. I know. They're like a big hit this year. I mean, they were last year as well, but look at all this collection they have to decorate your outdoors, guys. By far, this is my favorite. He is risen. That's right. Amen for that as well. Guys, you need to go check out Hobby Lobby. Like I told you, I'm not affiliated with Hobby Lobby at all, but they have so many beautiful things that I feel compelled to share with you guys all the time. Look at these crosses. These make great projects with the kiddos, guys. You can paint them. And look at these books, y'all. Story of Easter. I love this. How about putting these inside the little basket for the kiddos? It's a must. You have to run and get it, y'all. Look at this beautiful book. I did see a lot more, guys, for entertaining the kiddos that you can add in the baskets. You can even do it like for Easter, spend time with the kiddos coloring these. How cute are these? They had so many different little activities for the kiddos that I feel would fill an Easter basket, and they would be very, very happy with it. Guys, they also had this beautiful decor as well. Look at this big old carrot, y'all, welcoming your friends and family. I absolutely fell in love with that. And again, here we go with the little vintage vibe of these little pieces. I fell in love with this little cute little, I don't know if it's a duck or a chicken, but regardless, super, super cute. And y'all, look at this candy box. Jesus. Oh my gosh. Jesus saves. I love this, y'all. And I have to say, one of the reasons why I love Hobby Lobby is because it is a Christian-based store, y'all, and they sell all these beautiful inspirational pieces that I absolutely love and I admire. So run to Hobby Lobby, guys. Look at this adorable little bunnies. I had to get it. I don't know what I'm going to do with them just yet, y'all, but I had to get these cute bunnies. And they didn't have too many of them, so I'm glad I picked it up. And again, here we go with the cows. How adorable are these cows, y'all? Love it, love it, love it. Any child of any age, I feel, would really love these cows. So run and go get them. Everything is 40% off, so go get it. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this type of video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more shopping adventures, thrifting adventures, DIY fun, and some really original crafts. Thank you guys for all of your support. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Be kind to one another, and most importantly, don't forget to just keep on keeping on.